AI isn't something that's coming in the future anymore. It's already here, and it's moving fast. Right now, people are using it to build income streams, automate businesses, and create content at a scale that wasn't possible before. And here's what's interesting. It's not just developers or tech experts making money from AI. It's regular people, using simple tools, turning ideas into income. So the real question isn't whether AI can make money. The real question is, are you going to sit back and watch it happen, or are you going to learn how to use it? Before we go deeper into this, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because on this channel, we break down real ways to make money online, especially using AI and automation. AI content creation, YouTube, blogs, scripts. One of the easiest and most accessible ways to start making money with AI is through content creation. With tools like AI writers, voice generators, and editing assistants, you can create YouTube videos, blog posts, and even full content systems without ever showing your face. This is why faceless YouTube channels are growing so fast. You can use AI to research topics, generate scripts, create voiceovers, and even plan visuals. What used to take hours or days can now be done much faster. But here's the key difference between success and failure. It's not just about creating content, it's about creating content people actually want to watch. If your content doesn't hold attention, it won't perform, no matter how fast you produce it. That's why focusing on storytelling, structure, and value is important. When done properly, content creation can turn into a long-term income stream through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Freelancing with AI skills. Another powerful way to make money with AI is by offering services. Businesses are constantly looking for ways to save time, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. AI allows you to provide those solutions faster than ever before. You can offer services like AI-generated content writing, video editing, social media management, or even chatbot creation. The advantage is that AI increases your speed, which means you can handle more clients without increasing your workload. But here's where most people go wrong. They think AI will do everything for them. In reality, your value comes from how you use the tool. Clients are not paying for AI output, they are paying for results. If you can combine AI with strategy and understanding, you can position yourself much higher than others in the market. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork already have massive demand for these services. The opportunity is not hidden, it's already there. You just need to position yourself correctly and start building experience. AI-powered automation, YouTube automation, and agencies. AI has made automation easier than ever, and this is where things become scalable. Instead of trading time for money, you can build systems that continue to produce results with less direct effort. For example, YouTube automation channels allow you to create content consistently using AI tools. Scripts, voiceovers, thumbnails, and editing ideas can all be assisted by AI. Once you have a system in place, you can produce content regularly without being involved in every small step. Some people take this even further by building small agencies. They use AI to deliver content services to clients at scale. Instead of working alone, they create systems and sometimes teams that allow them to grow beyond a single income stream. This is where AI becomes more than a tool. It becomes a business model. Selling digital products with AI. Another strong opportunity is creating and selling digital products. This includes ebooks, templates, guides, and even online courses. AI can help you speed up the entire process, from writing content to organizing ideas and designing layouts. The biggest advantage of digital products is scalability. You create something once, and it can be sold multiple times without additional effort. This turns your time investment into something that continues to generate income over time. However, the key here is value. If your product doesn't solve a real problem or provide clear benefit, it won't sell. AI can help you create faster, but it cannot replace understanding your audience. When you combine both, you create something that has real potential. AI in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing becomes even more powerful when combined with AI. Instead of guessing what content to create, You can use AI to analyze trends, generate ideas, and produce content faster. You can create videos, blog posts, or social media content that promotes products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Over time, this can build into a steady income stream. The advantage of AI here is speed and consistency. You can test multiple ideas, optimize content, and scale what works. But again, success depends on strategy, not just tools. You need to understand what your audience wants and create content that connects with them. AI tools for businesses, micro SaaS/services. One of the highest potential opportunities is building simple AI-based tools or services for businesses. You don't need to be a developer to start. Many no-code platforms allow you to create automation systems, chatbots, or content tools. Businesses are willing to pay for solutions that save time or increase efficiency. Even a simple tool that solves one specific problem can generate consistent income. This approach takes more effort in the beginning, but it has strong long-term potential. Instead of working for clients, you are creating something that people pay for repeatedly. The real advantage: speed and leverage. The biggest advantage of AI is not just what it can do, but how fast it allows you to work. Tasks that once took hours can now be completed in minutes. This creates leverage. You can produce more content, test more ideas, and scale faster than before. But at the same time, competition is increasing because more people are entering the space. The people who succeed are not the ones who rely only on tools. They are the ones who combine AI with creativity, strategy, and consistency. AI gives you speed, but your thinking gives you results. What most people get wrong: many people approach AI with the wrong mindset. They think it's a shortcut to instant money, so they rely completely on tools without adding value. The result is low-quality work that doesn't stand out. Another common mistake is trying too many things at once. Instead of focusing on one method and improving it, people keep switching between ideas. This slows down progress and prevents real growth. The truth is simple: AI is a tool, not a replacement for effort or understanding. AI is changing how money is made online, and the opportunities are already here. But they won't stay open forever. The earlier you start, the better your position becomes. You don't need to know everything to begin. You just need to take the first step and improve along the way. If this video gave you clarity, make sure to like this video and subscribe, because we break down real strategies like this every week. And remember, AI won't replace you, but someone using AI might.